With a decade-long experience in implementing AI/ML-based vision systems, Relimetrics can help you utilize the power of AI to accelerate your inspection processes, eliminate errors and ensure consistency at low cost and high pace. The ReliVision platform transforms any image-generating hardware to an AI-powered smart sensor, empowering customers to quickly implement end-to-end AI solutions in-house on their own. With ReliVision, build and maintain your own proprietary AI solutions for quality assurance and NDT. Utilize your domain expertise and differentiate while maintaining your IP. Start with preparing your data. Train your AI models for your solution. ReliVision offers maintained state-of-the-art AI model library, enabling you to stay at the forefront of AI technology without coding or AI expertise. Monitor training. Review your assets on ReliBoard and compare your AI models. Build your AI solution pipelines. Deploy your solution and monitor field performance with Reli Audit. Review audit results with a user-friendly dashboard. Scale up your own proprietary AI solutions easily and manage your resources as you see fit. Take full control. Own your data. Own your IP. Own your AI with ReliVision.